Welcome to the Pure Energy Healing Academy. I haven't said that for ages. I don't know why I said that. Oh, it's windy outside. It's windy outside. It really is windy. But it's blowing the cobwebs off the people that they need. The cobwebs blowing more than ever. It's a beautiful day today. Today I've been told now because it's windy, I've got my clean, beautiful white linen sheets outside, and next door's dust is probably blowing all over it because the wind's just picked up, and I shouldn't really be talking about this because it's not really relevant. Sheets! He's talking about the sheets again! Okay guys, welcome to Mark Bajerski YouTube channel. It's a great day. Just scratched the last line out completely. So the girls at the office said, Mark, we've given the giveaways out, they've all gone. We are now free to be able to help you with anything you want, meaning that I can do a kind of giveaway. But I thought this time, rather than a giveaway, I'm going to do 3 fantastic products that you have to buy, and if you do buy them, I'm going to do free delivery, and I'm going to DHL, and I'm going to give a crystal away too in that. So that's going to be quite fun as well, and really healthy. Now, up to this moment, people are coming back with some great reviews. Some of the reviews have been really vital and important because each individual is different inside and out. So what they're cleansing, they're detoxifying, depending on what their body, how do I put it? Whatever you eat is who you are. So if you're eating garbage, then when you're drinking, let's say, mugwort with sage, you might struggle a little bit. You might feel, oh, this is heavy. But that's because there's a detox taking place. There's a cleanse, there's a clear of parasite from within the body. So this is something that you've got to bear in mind. Like anything, you've got to get over certain hurdles. You've got to, wipe away all the negative stuff inside you, all the heavy stuff, all the bad stuff. And, sage in here does that as well. So it's a great combination. So that's the first bag of this special offer. So there you go. Nice. So that's the first bag. The second bag, again, very interesting. A lot of amazing reviews. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. This one, because it contains horsetail, they say that the silica within has that energy that keeps you awake. So I would stop drinking it about 6 o'clock if you have that issue. I don't have that issue at all. I sleep straight through. So like I said, it depends on you personally. So just trial and error with it. So the dandelion and the root of burdock and the sage plus the horsetail is a fantastic sacred detox, and it does detox. It's fabulous. So these 2 will come to you. These 2 beautiful bags. Oh, it's a spicy meatball, vegan. Okay, and then the third one is, of course, what you burn around your body, and that is Alpujarra's sage. So you burn this around your body to cleanse the negative energy, and you drink this to cleanse the inside of your body. What a beautiful set. What a beautiful gift. Now, with that, I am going to attune to you. So the girls will let me know your name, and then I will get one of these. I call them my love balls, my spheres of healing, which I work with. I'm just actually working with these today. I've just finished working with them yesterday, which I think I showed you that in the last video. That's the green opal, and here, yummy. What? Not gobstoppers. Beautiful. These are really, really high quality. Aren't they gorgeous? We love rose quartz. And they're divine. So you can see it could be any one of these, or another one that I decide to choose. You know, I might go for the blue apatite. I might go for, you know, whatever. You know, it could be any of these. There's the labradorites are beautiful. I've still got a few. I think I've got maybe 20 or 30 of the red hematoid. That's I call goat's eye. Absolutely fantastic. But let me choose it for you, because sometimes if you choose it, right, you're choosing it for a certain reason for you. But maybe if I have a go this time and choose, maybe I might target something that you never knew. And it might be a crystal that you would never have chose. And then you might think, oh, okay, let's give it a go. Now, I don't normally do this, guys, and this is only a one-off. I won't be doing it again. I don't choose crystals for people. That's not what I do. But this is a bit of fun, and I'm feeling happy, excited, exhilarated. And I'm going to get the name, and I'm going to tune to the name, and then I'm going to choose the crystal and then bring it down with your name on, and then that's going to be shipped out to you. So these crystals, in fairness, that are on my website already, some are on special offer at 45 and some go up to 120, depending on quality, how long I've worked with it, and what's the quality of it and the price of what it cost me. So it all depends on each crystal. So they all vary, but you know you're going to get at least £50 worth of crystals that I've worked with free. So that's going to be in here. Now, this might last for quite a while because I have got quite a few left of these. So maybe I'm going to limit it to 100 only. And that way it won't take up all my day. So I'm going to limit this maybe to, let's have a think, 1 month. Yeah, 1 month, 4 weeks. Okay, so basically, I'll say it again, you get these 3 beautiful, yay, plus one of these, and I'll choose it. If you really want to choose it yourself, then type it in and say, thanks guys, thanks for Mark wanting to choose for me. I really feel pulled to that crystal there. Now, if we have that crystal, no problem, we'll send it. Okay? So, as I showed you these I've definitely got some of these in, so we should be fine. Okay. I think that's it. Is that it, Mr. B? I think so. It's been a lovely day today. I've loved working on the website. I've loved working on the crystals today. I've loved nipping down, and the girls have been extremely hard at work today. We have drawers, and in the drawers from A to Z are the crystals. And because we've been so really busy, we haven't had time to go through the drawers and make it all neat. But the girls have started, and they've got up to G, something like that. And you can feel the energy from them working from A to G and putting all the crystals in nice and neat and all ordered and all perfect. And it's like, wow, so beautiful. I just absolutely love that. And I also love that we have somebody coming to do singing bowl therapy to put good energy into the room, which is always, you can just feel it. It's amazing. So we all contribute every day to the energy, the love of each crystal that we send to you from markbajerski.com. Each oil, each incense, everything that we do with love and happiness and joy. And I think you'll feel it in the crystals. So I hope you enjoy this special offer. The link will be below. And enjoy the teas. How to drink them, I've done videos, but I think you should go with your own gut feeling. I drink either or in the morning, whichever one, round about 8 o'clock, then round about 12 o'clock, then about 2 o'clock, then about 4 o'clock, then 6 o'clock. I finish with the detox. and then I go on to the because I really want to clear out my parasites. So then I keep going 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and 10 o'clock. Normally finish about 10 with the parasite cleanse, and it just feels extraordinarily amazing. I sleep better, I feel better, stronger in mind, body, and spirit. When you clear the parasites from your body, you certainly start living in your own body. It's incredible. And I think we all have to really come to terms that parasites are within all of us, within our mind, and all through the body and the gut. So we need to cleanse them, and this is a great start. And yeah, let me know how it's been going with you. A lot of people are benefiting right now, so that's good news. And if you are benefiting, and if you've got anything, whether you feel it's negative and you don't want to say it, please say it, because people are going to then see, and then they can make their own mind up whether that feels right, and maybe somebody can help somebody else with what they're feeling, because some people started this detox a long time ago, so somebody can reassure them. I mean, if you've ever been on a fast, I mean, if you don't know what you're doing on a fast, you need reassurance. You need somebody to say, hey, listen, I've been through this. This is that reason. That's why. So we should help one another. And I can't be there all the time online to help answer every question. So hopefully the beautiful Brendan and other people who are on there who are amazing, Hamas, and everybody who can come together and just help, that would be great. Help one another grow. And ultimately all we're really concerned about is cleansing our body. And the crystal that you will get, we'll do a meditation together with that crystal coming up very shortly. I might even do one on Sunday. Let's see. So let's have a see what happens. I guess that's it. Mr. B, get on with your work. Okay. Right. Have a great day. Love you all. Take care. And thank you for going to markbajerski.com. Enjoy everything that's on there. Thank you.